stay composed. You can just hear my heavy breathing go as soon as the car hits in the second gear. I'm like not expecting it.
Which to choose? Which to choose? This one, of course. So we are heading out to my friend John's place, aka Little John, to do what the title of this video is all about, and that is testing launch control on the Shelby GT350. I have not really played with it too much because it's been winter time here and you can't really do launch control in the winter, but let's just get right to it. We just got over here. We got John over in the Shelby right now, but this is the Mercedes that he just got recently. Thing's pretty cool. He unlocked it for me so I could show you guys the inside of it. But yeah, super sweet car. He's planning on doing some modifications with it. Probably gonna tune it and all that so he makes it even faster. Sorry, it is a little bit dirty, but that's because he drives it every single day. But let's head back over to the Shelby and get right to it. On the car, to do the launch control, all you have to do is just click this lever up here, and then it'll say LC right here on the little dash. You can see when I click it up and down, it'll do that. And then if you pop here on the center stack, so you go down to track apps, and then you go to the launch control, you can change the RPM setup. So you can see there, you can do it anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 RPMs. I found that usually right around 5,000 RPMs is the best. It does happen to be 52 degrees outside today, so it's not going to be the best conditions for launching, but we'll still try it out to see what happens. Be doing some drive-bys. John's going to be capturing those, and then we are going to be testing out a little bit with the launch control in just a moment. Drive behind us, so it's making it a little bit difficult, but I'm sure we will get it all figured out. And as always, John and I drove clear out to Mexico to film this video. Look at the little turbo! Turbo!
Oh, it's yellow.
So now we're gonna get footage here for the namesake of the video. So we've got launch control on. All you have to do is bury your foot in the clutch, put it in first gear, bury your foot on the gas. It'll hold the RPMs, slip out a bunch. And then it'll attempt to launch. Just got over here to John's place. We got dogs running all over the place, but this is the cool part. So TV, bigger than anything else ever. But these seats, freaking massaging and heated. You can like massage the top and the bottom. So we're gonna chill here. Oh, and we got recliners too. So we're gonna chill here with the dogs for a minute. That obviously did not go as planned, but you kind of got to make do with what you get. That'll pretty much sum things up for today. As always, if you are stopping for the first time, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed, comment down below what you thought, and then I will see all of you in that next video.